Hey guys, it's MMG Tutorials back with a brand new video, and today for you guys, I am going to show you how I easily fix my TikTok audio lag issue. Now there's many videos out there saying like, oh, you can just repost the video, or in your case, if you're watching a video and you see it like lagging, and how you can tell if it's lagging, if A, the audio is ahead of the video, or B, the video is ahead of the audio. That's how you can tell if it's lagging. Like the lips, like if people are talking or speaking or doing things and you can see their lips moving, and it looks like it's not lining up like it should be, then that's the audio lag issue. Now, what you do is go to your app store. If you're on Android, it'll be the Google Play Store. But if you're iOS, you go to your app store. I don't know if nowadays if iOS has this issue, or has this feature with apps coming up, actually. So see, I don't have to update mine, but just to double check, I can, let's see, I'm gonna go, oops, I'm gonna blur all this so you guys can't see. But ignore that. Let me actually do this. Swipe. Where is it? There we go. Alright, so, sorry, added mute notifications. Jesus Christ, why do I keep doing that? Okay. So, what you want to do is go to your Manage Apps and Devices. I mean, you don't have to. See, 8, I have 5 updates pending, and TikTok is neither of them, so I know that TikTok is updated. So then, what you do is, if you're on Android, you can simply hold down TikTok and go App Info. And then you want to force stop. Then you want to go to storage, and you want to clear your cache like that. I'm gonna test this out because the video I watched said that you also should clear your data, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna clear the cache and see if that'll fix it. But if you're on iOS, I don't know how you would get to this page on your Apple device. So if you do know how to get to this page, feel free to comment how you get there, and then I can pin your comment so that way every time people see this video, they'll know how to clear their cache on Apple, because I unfortunately don't know. But yeah, so that's how you can easily fix the TikTok issue. So if you are a creator yourself, you necessarily don't have to repost the video like some other YouTube videos would say you would have to do. But you necessarily don't have to. You just have to refresh the app. I'm just gonna call it that. Yeah, so that was a quick video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.